Hi, it's Tim from Toy Tinker Tim, and in this special edition repair episode you'll see that I'm using this twist drill. Sometimes it's called a hand drill or a pin vise. And this one came with 10 bits, and they go from 1/2 millimeter to 3 millimeter, and the whole thing is under 10 bucks. So highly recommend it. It's very useful for making these kind of repairs, these very fine things. So I've included a link below the video if you'd like to pick one up or check it out. My wife asked me to take a look at and repair the helmet visor for her Girl Destiny figure. There are pins on the side of the visor that fit into the plug holes on the sides of the rubber helmet. These pins are kind of fragile. I think it's really due to the fact they're made out of the same clear plastic material that they've been painted orange, though, that the visor is made out of. And they're broken at awkward spots, and in the past, just attempting to try to glue those pieces back on, it just resulted in them snapping right back off again. So after seeing what the length should be for the pins, I'm beginning the repair by drilling holes into the remaining post stubs on the visor. I've flattened them off, evened them off, and I'm starting with a smaller drill bit, and I'm working my way up in size. So model railroaders, others working with diorama, may be familiar with this product by Evergreen Scale Models. I'm using this assortment pack of rod and tubes to build out the new pegs for the visor. I've got a link below the video as well for this particular item. I'm sanding the end of the rod to get a tapered fit and doing a test fit also there for the depth and hold before actually attaching it. I'll be using the 5-minute epoxy to cement the tapered rod into the drilled holes. I'm also using a little bit of extra of the epoxy cement to build out the sides of the base of the pins so that they have a tapered effect. So for painting, I'm mixing acrylic, it's a crimson red, along with the yellow here to match the orange trim on the helmet. And when you start to mix, do it by adding the red to the yellow until you feel like you've gotten a good match for color here. I let it set for a few hours, and then afterwards I've used a clear sealer over the acrylic to help protect it from wear and scratches. We've got a good fit. The peg length was correct to let the visor move without scraping the helmet. The materials and process used here in this video episode can easily apply to any similar other projects or repairs you might have to make. I have a full review on this figure here on the Toy Tinker Tim channel, so be sure and check that out if you think it's pretty cool looking, and it is a pretty cool figure. Alright, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time.